If you're hunting for the best espresso machine under $300, this countdown is for you. We've gathered compact, capable picks that balance pressure, temperature control, and everyday convenience. If something catches your eye, you can explore it further through the links in the video description. In fifth place, we have the Electactic 20-bar espresso machine with grinder. This all-in-one design folds a conical bird grinder right into the body, giving you 30 preset grind settings to dial in texture for straight espresso or milk drinks. A 20-bar Italian pump driven by a 1500-watt motor pushes for rich crema and balanced extraction, while the steam wand doubles as both a frother and a hot water outlet for cappuccinos, lattes, or tea. Daily upkeep is straightforward thanks to a 2.8-liter removable tank, an easy-off drip tray, and ETL certification for peace of mind. Thoughtful touches like a heavy tamper, stainless pitcher, 4 filters, and a wide portafilter head that supports generous double shots make it practical for busy counters and large mugs. The compact blackened stainless finish looks at home on most countertops. Do note, the machine may release excess water into the drip tray during operation, so plan on emptying it often, and the steam wand can be noticeably loud. Small trade-offs for the convenience of a single box setup. Coming in at number 4 is the Nespresso Pixie Espresso Machine by DeLonghi, a compact capsule system built around speed and simplicity. It heats in about 25 seconds and uses a 19-bar high-performance pump to deliver reliable crema. Operation is pleasantly minimal. 2 programmable buttons handle espresso and lungo, so you can set your preferred shot volumes and repeat them day after day. The Pixie's 2-in-1 drip tray and used capsule container keep cleanup tidy, and an automatic energy-saving mode powers the unit down after 9 minutes, handy if you sprint out the door. Its aluminum finish feels sturdy without adding bulk, and the compatibility with Nespresso original capsules gives you dependable flavor variety without grinding or dosing. This is a great fit for small kitchens or shared spaces where quick, consistent shots matter. The limitation is that the system is optimized for branded capsules. Refillable or third-party options may not deliver the same consistency, so it's best for users who want the smoothest results with the mainstream capsule ecosystem. At number 3, you'll find the CASABREWS 4118 Pro 20-bar semi-automatic, a compact semi-automatic that prioritizes speed and control. Flash heat technology brings it to brewing temperature in under 5 seconds, and the machine can hop from brewing to steaming, then back again, in only 3 seconds, minimizing downtime when you're making multiple drinks. A 20-bar pump with pre-infusion saturates grounds for even extraction, and the steam wand, finished with a rubber grip, generates strong steam for microfoam and can also dispense hot water. An optional auto-clean cycle helps keep the system fresh. Stainless steel construction with thermal ceramic elements promotes even heat distribution, while a removable water tank, single and double baskets, and straightforward controls keep the learning curve gentle. It's a smart pick for busy mornings or compact counters. Keep in mind that tall 12-ounce mugs may require removing the top tray for clearance, and replacement parts aren't widely available, making it best suited for typical home use rather than heavy long-term servicing. Taking the second spot is the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker CFN601, a multifunction system that replaces separate coffee and espresso gear with one flexible machine. For espresso, it leverages a 19-bar pressure system and supports 3 capsule styles: espresso at 13.5 ounces, lungo at 3.75 ounces, and over ice at 1 ounce, delivering smooth crema with predictable results. When you want drip coffee, it accommodates grounds with brew settings labeled classic, rich, or over ice, and it offers 9 size options from a single cup to a full 12-cup glass carafe, great for solo sippers and weekend hosting alike. An integrated fold-away frother expands your menu to cappuccinos, lattes, and flat whites, and the adjustable cup tray fits smaller espresso cups or travel mugs up to 8 inches tall. Usability perks include a bin that holds up to 20 used capsules for easy disposal, and accessories like the Ninja Smart Scoop and Carafe. The real draw is flexibility. You're not locked into a single format, and there's no pod restriction for grounds. The trade-off is its relatively large footprint, which may challenge very tight counters, but for many kitchens, the one machine, many drinks value is hard to beat. And finally, at number 1, the Gevi 20-bar espresso coffee machine brings precision and sturdiness that punch above its compact profile. Built from mostly metal and weighing about 30 pounds, it measures 9.05 inches wide, 15.55 inches deep, and 14.17 inches high, delivering a solid high-end feel. Under the hood, a 20-bar Italian Olca pump works with an overpressure valve and a 3-way solenoid to regulate actual extraction pressure between 9 and 12 bar, right where balanced crema and clear flavor tend to live. Temperature control is equally thoughtful. A PID and NTC dual system offers 3 presets, 92 degrees Celsius, 94 degrees Celsius, and 96 degrees Celsius, so you can match lighter or darker roasts more precisely. Real-time visibility comes via a digital display and a pressure gauge, helping you monitor pressure, temperature, and extraction time at a glance. A 58mm commercial-grade stainless steel portafilter encourages even distribution and fuller oil extraction, while the 2.3-liter detachable water tank supports multiple rounds before refilling. The steam wand uses a 3-hole nozzle with 2 power modes for textured milk foam or quick heating. Expect a slight delay when switching between brewing and steaming, and occasional rattling from the drip tray. But for home baristas who want control, capacity, and durable construction, this setup stands out. To recap, the Electactic offers grinder-in-machine convenience, the Pixie nails fast capsule consistency, CASABREWS delivers speed with a helpful gauge, Ninja covers both espresso and full-pot coffee in one unit, and Gevi tops the list with precise pressure and temperature management in a sturdy build. If you enjoyed this roundup, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful guides. You'll find everything we mentioned neatly organized in the description so you can look closer at the models that match your routine.